dun, dun, dun. What is going on? Shout out to you guys. Shout out to the Otter Gang. Good morning, my friends. How we all doing? We got a pump. Holy smokes. We got a beautiful poll asking what's worse. A toothache, a claw, the hammer in the head, falling off a scaffold, one floor, or a fractured ankle. How we all do? Good morning, good morning. Good morning, B Team Crypto. Shout out to you, man. My friend, Slam Banjo, going, ficky, needle. Slam Banjo, when I listen to this track, I hear a random, yeah. Good morning, French Toaster. What's going on, my man? Darren does things in the chat. DDT dropping bombs. Oh, yeah. Let's go. Johnny Watchman's here. Are we in a short? You guys said you're in a short from 7:45. My God. You guys are early risers. You guys must be in the UK catching that early trade. Let's jump into it. Thank you for being here. Much love to every single one of you. We got a short squeeze. So we'll take a look at this. We'll make sure to keep you guys up to date and in the know. My God, we had some levels here. That's funny. The levels were given in advance, and we didn't expect to pump up, okay, but we got it. Now we were saying maybe this United States durable goods, this came in really, really positive. It went from negative 5.6 all the way to 0.2, okay? Durable goods in the USA unexpectedly rose 0.2% month over month in August, rebounding from an upwardly revised 5.6 slump in July. Okay, so you can see that is quite a big difference compared to negative 5.6 all the way to 0.2. Okay, they were expecting negative 1.4, and this is quite a big jump. So maybe this is part of the factor due to the pump. That came in at 8:30. That would kind of make a little bit of sense, but not completely. You never know with these news things. You can't just trade news, okay? We're going to look at the charts. We're going to jump into this. We're going to make sure that we got our levels and that we're ready to trade, okay? I am currently not in any trade. I was off yesterday. I'm sorry I didn't live stream yesterday, but I could not really speak much. My toothache is ridiculous. I got antibiotics and Advil, and I'm struggling. You know, toothache is pretty vicious, man. A toothache is pretty vicious. I don't know if any of you know, but it's pretty vicious. So we're dealing with the toothache right now. 26,745, not 7:45. I've been up since 6:50 in the morning. So the poll here, what's up, Nate? What's up? The poll here is that when I was in Australia about 6 months ago, I fell off the scaffold one floor when I was nailing. I was working up on the scaffold. I was nailing. So I fell off the scaffold one floor. The claw of the hammer flew in the air, came down, hit me in the top of the head, and I fractured my ankle and got COVID in the same time. So, you know, life happens. It was like straight up off of the Three Stooges. I fell off the scaffold broke. I went down, ankle, hammer, went to the hospital, had COVID. Great story. One I'll tell my grandparents one day. Or my grandkids one day. Yeah. It was quite painful. I got the pictures to prove it. And my ankle is still recovering, so no harness, no. I was up one lift, fully enclosed, and then the hooks of the deck broke off of the scaffold while I was nailing. So I was like this, and it was like a trap door, and it just woof. Down I went into it was built over top of a deck, so I fell in like the hole of the deck in. Oh, it was no good. So we're dealing with the toothache, but I thought I'd share that story with you guys about, you know, things that happen on construction sites that aren't always pretty building. So it wasn't nice. I survived though. I survived. I'm kind of nimble, so we made it. We made it. Let's go into the Bitcoin. Market opens in 25 minutes. We got our coffee. That's a hat trick, yeah. Still better than a toothache. See, I come here for comic relief, man. You guys help me more than you know. Oh man. Okay, so we got this range. We're expecting some point of control coming back to it. So I did a lot of roofing. I couldn't wear a harness. It made significantly more difficult unless I was on the eaves on a big roof. It was always unharnessed. Yeah. Yeah. Get you a couch cushion, boy. I tell you what. Yeah, ripping up those couch cushions, knees on the couch cushion on the roof. It's great for asphalt shingles. If you've ever done roofing, you know it. Those bundles aren't nice. Thank you guys for your support. We'll get through the toothache. We got a checkup and the antibiotics pumping, so we'll be all right. So my goal today is not to talk about the drama. Okay, we're not going to get into the drama. We're just going to do the charts today. Okay. Yes, I'm surviving from my toothache, but we will get through this together. Thank you guys for your support. Let's crank those likes up. Let's jump into it now before we get market open. Now, what's going on, man? Dixie's pumping like crazy, okay? We have a higher high here, and we're pushing up quite significantly, but we don't see much of a drop on Bitcoin. Actually, we saw a pump recently, so we have another level of resistance above us. But right now, as we creep up, I mean, it doesn't look like it's stopping anytime soon, okay? So the Dixie is pumping, which means people are holding dollars less into risk on assets, okay? The S&P has dropped quite significantly. We're looking for a little bit of a relief bounce, but nothing has come to fruition yet. So over to Bitcoin. Let me blow my nose. This is like a common theme. Like I blew my nose before the stream. One day we're just going to have a big booger coming out of my nose while we're live streaming. Oh, man. So, what do we got? We got a massive pump up. Let's go look into that right now as we can see. We'll look at the move, and then we'll go into the long form TA. So, we're coming back up now. So, possible. We got 745. So, we got some people here in shorts. Yeah, we don't need that drama. I just need for Ape to pump already. Yeah, man. We have we had significant pumps on the others? No, the alts 0.6. Yeah, nothing's really pumped like Bitcoin. Maybe Link. Link's up 5%. Fucking hell. Link won't stop. We're going to look at Link as well. So we're coming back up here, curling back up. Maybe we look for some sort of double top here in the short-term time frames with market open. Look for some sort of exhaustion. Maybe we get a higher high here and we jump into a short. Something like this. Target the bottom down here. There is a point of control I'd like to point out to you guys as well for this little sideways range here. If you pull this sideways range, you can see there is a point of control right here. This point of control is at 26,700. And also, if we zoom out onto the 4 hour and we look at the range and we pull the entire range for the volume, we can see that there. Or was it? No, it wasn't that range. Sorry. If we pull this range here, we can see that there is a big volume node right here coming in at 25,600 as well. 25,600. That's the level that I'm watching right now for price to come back down to. Okay, this area here, the point of control of the previous range. So right now, we'll look for it to come back up, possible short entry coming at us. Massive move up. Okay, I'll be looking to take a short alongside with you. I'm going to set an order around 26. Let's go 26,888. 26,888. I'm just setting my order because you guys know I like to trade too. You know, we gotta share. So the order is set for the live stream. We'll see if it comes up here. we're looking for a double top. Okay, so that's what we're looking for on the live stream. Double top, bearish divergence, rejection. We'll keep an eye on this. We'll adjust it as we go, and I'll let you guys know as I'm adjusting it throughout the live stream. And hopefully we catch a nice short here down to this 26,560 area. So hopefully we can catch a live stream trade. That would be awesome. Single print around 26,580 is where I'm targeting. Nice. 580. Yeah, okay. I see that. So yeah, we'll wait and see. Throughout the stream, we should get some more volume. Let's see the volume. Volume's cranked up, obviously, through this push. Cool down now. EMAs are trailing as per usual. Bounce off of that beautiful 9. VWAP's below. Yeah, so we'd like to see it come down to this VWAP. This would be the target here, right? So the VWAP's creeping up. Volume weighted average price. Looking for the double top momentum wave to print something like this. And then we get the higher high here, that divergence, and trade it down. Let's take a look at Coinalyze quickly, and see what we can see. If there's any, just logging in here. Sorry. Okay, so we got higher high, lower low. Okay, that's the pump. That's the move there. No, it's pretty even here, so nothing on Coinalyze. We'll keep an eye on that as well if we can find divergences on there. So right now the trade setup's kind of like this. We're looking for that pump up, higher high, 26.88. So we're kind of up here more. And we'll wait to see if price comes up. If not, we could be looking for a rejection right now. So let's be patient. Let's let price come to us. You can see it had lots of exhaustion here. It took about half an hour to get down, right? Now we're kind of bouncing, so we'll see. Do we have yeah, not convinced on this move just yet, so we want to see it try to make a higher high and then get rejected. That's kind of my thoughts right now. So let's go into the longer term time frames. Let's take a look at Bitcoin and see what we can see. We've had this massive push up, which is good to see. Let's see how that move happened. It's actually It gets frustrating when moves all of a sudden just take off around 5 in the morning. That's when it took off here. And we go over to the 1 hour. What can we see? Yeah, so it's frustrating when we took the short from here. That was that $100,000 short we took. It only came down to here. We got out that night. And then it came back up and then continued down to that level. So if you longed from this level, you would have been in this trade, okay? So it was available to us to jump into a long here. This is continuation. You can see the continuation of the momentum waves here. Money flow slowly curving to the upside and a push up, okay? So there was an opportunity to jump into a long here. We're coming up to our target here for our entry. 26,888 is our entry. We'll see how it goes. How we all doing? Crimson Caravan Company going, ah! Single print took a while to drop because it was building bearish CVD. There we go. Crimson. What is the R? Good to see you here. Thanks for coming and dropping by, Crimson. Nice to see you. We're just looking at Bitcoin. We're looking for a little pop-up bearish divergence. We'll see if we find one. It's trying right now. It's trying. The volume's coming in. Market opens in 15 minutes, so we'll keep our eye on the prize. Let's go over to the daily. Let's see what we can find. And hopefully we can find something together here where we can find some levels. Let's get this off of our charts here. And we'll get rid of this. Yeah. Okay. Beautiful. So where are we at? We're pumping back into the middle of the range. Massive volume spikes all throughout here. So we need to be very careful. But currently right now, downtrend, right? So that's where we're at. We haven't made any higher lows. We're looking for a continuation down. This is actually quite healthy, in my opinion, for us to continue downwards, right? We've had this nice move up, nice move down right now. And we have not had much of a retracement back up. So for me, this could mean a nice area for an entry for a short. Now, if we pull this from here to here, let's take a look. Let's go to the 4 hour and pull it from the top to the bottom. Maybe we have a nice retracement level here. So we could be bouncing off the 0.5, but if this does get higher, I wouldn't be surprised. Around 26.9. Now if we pull the volume for the entire this wants to hold. Yeah, this wants to hold. So this could be a nice short entry coming up our way. Let's be patient. Let's see what happens. Going over to market Cipher B. Bear with me. I got a toothache. My nose is running. I know you guys will forgive me. So we can see we've pushed up here. We've had like very small momentum wave. The push down, very small momentum wave. Green dot's trying to print right now. So nothing to be too excited. But look what's back. That weekly green dot's back. The weekly green dot's back in town. So it hasn't printed yet, but it's printing, right? So it's not confirmed. So maybe it's back for a push, right? Maybe it's back for a push. To me, this candle does look a little bit bullish, but we do have that shooting star to the downside candle over here, okay, on the weekly. So we need to be careful of that. Also, with this momentum wave curving up, it naturally wants to go this way, right? So it naturally wants to come here on the weekly, which is a long-term tail of us coming back up. Flipping over the 3-day, we're flattening out, which isn't showing me that we're wanting to move up. Over to the 2-day, red dot, green dot, indecisiveness. So very oversold on the 2-day. Looks like it has room with this momentum wave, but money flow is pointing to the downside. For me, this is indicative of that we're going to continue downwards. Okay, look how it came back up and then boom, straight back down. So for me, this is a nice rejection to the downside. Money flow is still pretty red. Okay. Going over to the daily, green, stochastic posturings to the upside right now. Obviously, we just got a big move, so we want to see this continue. VWAPs crossed the 0 line, so to me this looks bullish, but we have hit a standstill where we're at in the market right now. So we do have some levels to be watching to make sure that we're ready to trade, okay? And we're up at one of those levels right now, right? If we pull these levels and we look at them, we've come beautifully up to this box that we have above us here. It's beautiful how the levels get respected and we get a reaction on price, okay? So we've had these levels. We'll extend them out. But yeah, looking for a rejection here would be nice, wouldn't it? Wouldn't it? Massive push up. Maybe it's to durable goods. Maybe it's some FUD, but we're not going to talk about any of that crazy stuff going on over on on Twitter. We need to protect the crypto community. I believe it's very important for us not to scar the crypto industry as we proceed here into the next bull run. With all the drama that's been going on in the past weeks, I mean, let's get back to the charts. Let's make some money. Let's show people that there are good people here. There are good communities. And there are people here who just want to try and help each other grow and prosper. And, you know, it's a bit much sometimes. Of course it's entertaining. It's entertaining, but we don't want, people are being hurt. I mean, a lot of us hear from Frankie Candles. Where's Frank? You know what I mean? We miss Frank dearly. But, it has a big wave effect, just like Lunar Beach's crypto with the wave effect. What's going on, Lunar Beach's crypto? We're here live streaming with the massive toothache. Influencers equal not equal traders analysis. Absolutely, Quantum. Frankie would be like, we're at the value area high right now, and most likely if we get a rejection from here, we're coming to the point of control. Have a good day, guys. All right. Failure to get above this key level. Put a tooth in. Is there a tooth we can throw in the chat? Let me see. I don't see many otters in the chat. First of all, there should be more otters in the chat. Second of all, is there a tooth? What's up, Quantum? Is there a tooth? Oh, there is a tooth. Welcome to 119% gain. Now I'm short. Let's go. Let's go. C to the third. That's awesome, man. Make sure you guys sharing in the Discord those wins. I saw Schaefer. Schaefer up 228%. We got drugs and teeth in the chat and otters. Let's go. Darren does things. Thank you so much for coming by, man. Much love to you. Much love to you. So it looks like we got some room on market Cipher here. We are posturing to the upside. VWAP has crossed over the zero line. And money flow is the big thing here. Now, money flow on the short-term time frames, we crossed over to the red. And now it looks like everything's trying to pull it back up, okay? There's lots of room here on the momentum waves on the 16. Same with the 12, okay? So the 12, everything is crossed over, and we have money flow in the green. Now, if there's anything that looks more bullish, it's this. But it does look like we can come to the zero line and get rejected here on the momentum wave. So there are some mixed signals here, but massive posturing. And the higher this gets, the bigger it's going to drop, right? So we need to be patient here. Green continuation dot. I don't really trade these green dots. I don't even know why I have them turned on Market Cipher A. Shared in Discord. Let's see it. Lunar Beaches. Yeah, buddy. Man, I love people who are winning. Congratulations. Let's get a... Ow. My God, sometimes when I move my mouth the wrong way. Oh, man. I got a short waiting at 26.88. 888. We're going with the triple eights, okay? We're looking to short this down. Short this down to the ground. We said there is a key level right here. There is a key level right here. And that's if we pull the volume. Let's pull the volume from here to here. You can see this point of control here. Okay. Secret little level here. So we're looking for a price to come back down to this level here. That's around 26. Let's be more precise. Let's go to the 4 hour. Let's expand this out. Okay. So around 26,580. We would like to see this at least come back down to here. And then if it's going to continue, it's going to. But this is where the volume lies in this little range that we have right now. So this is the target area for a short that we're looking to take right now. So we'll extend this over. Shared in Discord, French Toaster. I'm short at 26,806, but I'm thinking it could get a little higher. Yeah, what we at the beginning of the stream we talked about. I'm looking for some sort of bearish divergence here. It did take about half an hour to get across here and then drop down. So right now, with markets opening in 7 minutes, we're looking for this to pop up and possibly get rejected, creating that bearish divergence to the downside on Market Cipher being the short-term time frame. So that's kind of what I'm looking at right now. The trade is set. If you don't believe me, the trade is set here for Bitcoin, ready to get paloozed on you. So we're waiting for that, and we'll go from there. I don't know if does a toothache make your nose run or something like? Oh my God! So we're getting a reversal triangle here on the 4 hour, which on the higher term time frames, yeah, I've seen these play out, but not Not on the 4 hour, okay? We're opening very shortly. Dixie's blasted off, okay? It's flown. We have a level of resistance or support here on the S&P. Oopsie. At 442, 42.42. Wow, I can't do that again. 42.42, guys. 42.42. 42.42. Wow. Is that somebody Google what 42 means, man? That's a lot of 42s. There's got to be some astronomical. Let's get Sam Price on here. Crypto Lifer. What does 42 mean, my friend? Come and help us out at the Otter Gang. We see in subliminal messages. Yes, it's connected to your sinuses. Great. Oh, my nose is leaking. My jaws feels like it's been broken. We're on antibiotics, and we'll survive. We will survive. The nerves in your face are angry. Trying to get into a new exchange. Has anyone used MEXC? King D. I think a couple people use MEXC in ours. If Lunar Beaches Crypto uses it, MEXC. I'm currently looking to switch exchanges too. I'm on Bybit right now, but it's through Mrs. Otter. Mrs. Otter is in the UK, like her KYC, but the Bybit's coming out of. Unfortunately, it's coming out of the UK. So I'm looking at ZoomX right now, decentralized ZoomX, possibly switching over here. I'm just taking a look at I've been looking at it, but my love of Bybit it's kind of heartbreaking right now because I'm very used to it. So I'm sure there's some people in the chat who will recommend some good exchanges. I've heard of MEXC. I've heard of BitGet. BingX, BitGet, MEXC, and ZoomX are the ones that I have looked into, depending on where you're at. Okay, my friend? So make sure to go over to a creator and user affiliate link like Frank or Jason Casper, any of those guys, just to support their channel. I'm sure they make a little commission off of it. I don't have the links. I think I have my Bybit link in the description. I don't need to show that. We're good here. Okay. Look, it's failure to get above here at the 775 area. So with market structure right now, we have made a higher high. Okay, so that's good to see. We've come down. Right? Now can this be a new structure being built, okay? To me, this actually just falls into this, where we're making a longer pattern. Let me just draw it again, sorry. Something like this. But we'll know in 3 minutes which way market opens, which way we're looking to go. We've gotten massive pumps on other things. We're going to take a look at all of them right now. But right now, the short remains the same. I'm looking for the swing failure pattern to the top, giving it a little bit of room to breathe, following these supports over here. Okay. This is where I'd be looking to put my stop losses around here on the wicks of the previous support, which has flipped now to resistance. We're looking for that to hold, and then we're looking for this to come at least back down into the sideways range here. This was quite painful, but I believe, yeah, this was Saturday. Yeah, this was weekend volume, so of course it's sideways. You have no idea how much that hurts to sneeze. Oh my God. I told you I'd do lives today. I've committed to doing 2 live streams today, so we're going to do an afternoon and an evening live stream today. No matter what, even with the messed up toothache. On antibiotics, smash that like button if we're getting you guys the goods right now, even with the toothache. Look at the 1 hour. It's so overbought. It's not even funny. It wants to cool off. Going over the 30, we got the red dot confirmed. 24, curling down. So we want to see exhaustion here and then dwindled down. Okay, we did get some news that was very positive this morning. That was on durable goods. We'll pull this over here. Watch your eyes. Durable goods. Where's the dark mode on the calendar, man? What the hell is this? All right. We have GDP growth. And then we have core PCE. Now these should move the markets a little bit. So look for volatility coming up Thursday and Friday, okay? I'd say mostly Thursday, but we'll wait and find out. We'll wait and find out. Getting a little bit of a rejection here, possible short still on the table, but to me that I'm not ready to enter just yet. I want to see more wickage, okay? That's what I want to see. More John Wicks in the house. I want market to open and then confirm our entry, okay? So for me right now, I'm being patient. Yeah, we've come back up, but I want to see it come and get a nice smooth rejection here with the lower lows on market Cipher B. So that's what I'm going to be waiting for. And we'll see when market opens. It's open. So we're open up positive. We're opening up positive on the S&P. Dixie's pumping, so that's kind of controversial, but we're opening up positive here on the S&P. That's possible to do with the durable goods. We go over to the ES, and that has been positive too. It's kind of stalled out there, so we'll keep our eye on the S&P, but it hasn't dropped dramatically yet. We can look for a possible retrace back up here. It is at a key level of support, so look at it push up. That's good to see. Okay, let's go over to the 1 hour and see. Yeah, it's opened up positive. It's pushed up. Maybe you can trade just above here right now, which would be good for Bitcoin. Bitcoin hasn't moved too much. Let's go over the 7 minute, 5 minute. Money flow. We want to see the money flow peak out here, okay? Money flow hasn't peaked out just yet. Okay, no scalp, no entry right now. So the trade remains the same. Make sure to add these levels to, well, you know where this level is, but make sure to add this 26,583. And then note, see if you had these levels, you would have been ready to trade this all the way through. Okay, you would have taken the long from down here, rode this up, right? Got to trade within these ranges, right? The highs and the lows, and pay yourselves. That's the way I do it, and it's worked out. I mean, I can show you my P&L. I have no problem showing you guys my P&L. I have done okay. I've done all right. This is since when? So we're doing okay. We made $300 the other day in our sleep. That was pretty cool. That was off of that $100,000 trade. We exited early, and then it came up and hit my stop loss, which is at entry. So we lost a little bit here, but managing our trades, paying ourselves early. I mean, that's how it's done, right? So for me, it's been working. Trading the ranges, making sure to let you guys know. Are we expecting a down move? Well, in the short-term time frames, when we go in the 4 hour, we have room to the upside. So in the 4 hour, we'll go down from the daily. So in the daily to me right now has crossed over the 0 line, but we're getting a green dot. So it's mixed messages, but money flow is in the red. So that to me is pointing downwards, but we've had this massive move up. So right now we'd be patient. We're looking for possible exhaustion, right? And continuation here on the daily. Now what will lead into that? That would be the 12 hour here has reset. So this is more indicative of this move right now. So that to me is saying that we're becoming oversold or overbought right now, but we want to see posturing flatten out here. We want to see our posturing come sideways here, and we want to see this come to the 0 line and get rejected. Money flow is in the green there, so mixed messages. 4 hour has lots of room. Okay, very, very oversold crossed over the zero line, but VWAP is flattening out now. Now that we've come up to key level of resistance, we are flattening out. The VWAP will tell you first, okay? So for me, the VWAP is flattening out. If we see the VWAP posture down, then we can expect this momentum wave to follow. Same with the stochastics to follow as well. So the VWAP will be the leading indicator, but we are in red money flow, okay? So that is definitely saying that we're probably still coming down. So there's mixed messages depending on what kind of trade you're in. I know for me personally, when I'm in a short or a long, I can make this indicator make me bullish or bearish depending on how I want to look at it. So it's hard to be objective and look at it from both ways. But in the short-term time frame, we are very, very overbought, right? Very overbought, you can see. So to me, this looks like exhaustion starting, where we are looking to curl over. Okay, the S&P has popped up, but we know how rough the S&P has been hit. Okay, Dixie way to the upside, which means downwards action for BTC as well. So mixed messages, but I don't think the alts have had as big of a move as Bitcoin. So we'll have to be patient and wait and see what this gives us. For me, the trade right now is a swing failure pattern to the upside with bearish divergence back down to the point of control around 26,580. So here we're having a little bit of a move. So we'll be patient. We'll be watching the charts. But we trade the levels, right? And the level is to be above us right now. That head and shoulders, yeah, I see it. I see it. That beautiful head and shoulders, S&P baby. That's dangerous, because if that plays out, man, we fallen hard. So keep an eye on the S&P for sure. It wants to make the move, but it did have a little bit of a retest here of this bottom line. So if we do get any closes above here, look for that to fail. 26,523 on Phoenix is also the 50% mark of the move if we don't make new local highs. See? Beautiful. I love how we can all find similar levels just using different ways of getting there. Dave Digital. Oh my God, Maddie's son Duke said he's bullish because Dave Digital is watching my cup overflow this morning. What's going on, Dave? Hope you're doing well, man. Thanks for dropping by. Otter Gang in the house, man. Otter Gang in the house. Definitely mixed messages, just like this girl I'm talking to. Oh, make sure you be safe out there, French Toast. It's a wild world. It's a wild world. If there's any altcoins you guys would like me to look at, I would be glad to. I'm going to look at Link right now. So going over to Link, keeping an eye on Bitcoin. I got Bitcoin on my other chart, so I'll let you guys know. Looks like we're rolling over here possibly, so we'll keep an eye on that. Link coming up to this key level of resistance. It's come up to 786 now, I think. Yeah. So this might be the level where it gets rejected, okay? But it's just pumping, baby. It's pumping, okay? But until it breaks above this area here, we know that it ain't going nowhere, okay? It's been here since May. I know you want those juicy 50% gain shorts, but we have stalled out here on Link. The daily, let's go over the daily. And the daily is very overbought, okay? Very, very overbought. Just creeping here. No red dot confirmed yet on the daily. 12 hour. Sorry, I didn't look at the money flow here. Yeah, money flow's in the red. VWAP staying above. So this is very key, right? The VWAP is staying above the zero line. Until we see that crossover, I don't see much downside confirmed yet on the daily. That's interesting to see there. Now, yeah, just trailing up here, you can see it's very similar. Becoming very oversold, though. But we want to see this momentum wave come downwards, right? That's when we get that bear div where we're continuing up, but then we get the downwards bear div there, and we see the curl over, okay? So that's interesting for me on Link. I'm back. Had a work call. Welcome back, DDT man. Let's go. Let's go. My man. My man. You guys throwing wrenches in the chat. Throwing wrenches in the chat. Thank you guys for your support. I appreciate you. You guys were on a deleting spree of people. Imposter. This is looking more like a bull fag than a swing failure. I was hoping for a rejection here, but it's looking like Farmer in the chat. You guys were on a deleting spree of people trying to be Alex O Crypto. That was great. Thank you guys for your support, mods and odds, and all of you guys. I appreciate you guys. Rejection from the 786 on Link. Let's pull volume across the whole dang thing. Are we not going to load today now? Are we being stubborn? We're being stubborn. Okay, let's try from here. Let's retry that link. Volume is not pulling. A bull? What? Yeah, so we'd like to see Link come back down to the point of control here. Once we get that confirmed kind of bear div on Link, that would be the one, okay? Until we get that. Why is this taking so long to load? We got the fastest internet Canada can provide. It's not as bad as Australia's. Wow. Well, if this momentum wave right now curls over, that would be nice. Look at this. So overbought. Wow. Money flow in the green, pushing upwards. Link's non-stop, man. Link's non-stop. It's just rushing up there. No curl over. No stop to the no stop in sight for Link. He's definitely forgot that eye on flag. The L on flag. Oh my god. So for me right now, I want to see Link come cool off, come down, bear divs. But right now, no trade on Link. Let this puppy ride until we see confirmed bearish divergence on a higher term time frame. It's just cooling off to pump again. Let's take a look at Bitcoin again. Okay, curling over. Bitcoin's curling over. It's not moving too much. We've had the massive move now. Everybody, the psychology is everybody's FOMO'd now. They're like, man, I missed the move. I need to trade, right? I missed the move. I need to trade. So for me right now, it's getting everybody into shorts. This is my psychology lesson of the day. So it's getting everybody into shorts. Then it's going to wick you up, knock you out, and drop it down, okay? So it's like FOMO, right? Where everybody and their brother wants to short this. Because we're going down, don't you know? S&P's dropped, Dixie's high. And we could just hang out here, get everybody short, and then wick you out and dump on your head. That's what I would do if I was a market maker. But I think patience is the name of the game. If you're in a short up here, just make sure that you're protecting yourselves up to here, I believe. That was the level, 27,000, right? Yeah, because we have multiple stops over here, right? So make sure you're protecting yourself from that wick if we do pop up. I will be doing the same. I'm looking for the trade as well. So, yes, I'm looking to short, but to me right now it's no trade. It's no trade. We had the massive move up. Everybody and their brothers trying to get into some sort of profit, some sort of trade here. Maybe even if we dip down here, the long from down here might be an option too. So we'll consider that as well. And this level is right here at 26,582. We had a lower high on 5-minute BTC. Now we just need a 5-minute lower low to confirm. Hope you're all doing well. Oh, we got a toothache, but we're here. We're here. We said we would stream twice today, so we're going to stream. We're going to do another We Want Frankie Candles stream around 5:30, probably 5 o'clock. We're going to try and yell through the computer and try to get Frankie Candles back on. Many of you are my good friends from Frankie Candles' channel. I appreciate every single one of you. We'll be streaming. We'll be streaming tonight as well. Scalp trade of you know what you do in X-ray goggles. Red X continuation here. Take some Sudafed or Mucinex to help with the congestion from the toothache. Yeah, I know. It's like I can feel it all the way from like my temple all the way down to my collarbone. Like if I look up into the right. Oh man. Oh man. Whatever. We'll be okay. We'll be okay. Tough it out. Don't, as they would say in the UK, don't be such a nambe-pambe. Okay, we made a new low. We made a new low. Okay, rejection. That's good if you're in that short. We want you guys to win. We want you guys to win. Don't make me counter trade you, though. I'll counter trade you. If we come to this level, I'm going to counter trade you, my friends. Massive move, though. That's awesome. That's awesome if you caught this. 2%. They get us while we're sleeping recently, aren't they? They get us while we're sleeping. We're staying out of the drama. Maybe we get into the drama later tonight. Let's check out crypto Twitter. Sin City Crypto, well, stuck at the hospital, feeling better though. My boy David brought me a Lambo Lego set of... This is sick. One Lambo, baby. One Lambo. Let's go, Rob. I was on Sin City Crypto. Miss Teen Crypto, maybe we get on her channel. Maybe we hit up Sam Price and get on the Lifer channel. Maybe he has a remedy for this toothache. Make sure you go and follow David. Oh, we got some Tate news. This is dangerous. Scrolling down the Twitter feed. Tom Crown. Message of love. This is dangerous. To help keep money safe from fraud and scams, we're changing the types of payments you can make from Chase. October 16th, if you're thinking about making a payment related to crypto assets, we'll decline it. Chase is like, nah, we ain't playing this game anymore. Fraudsters, hucksters. Fraudsters, hucksters. I got chopped up last 2 days. I'm sorry to hear that, Jeet Corp. We'll try to help you find some better levels. We're pushing down quite hard here on the Bitcoin price. Will we get a bounce? Let's find out. Shout out to Rob and Dave, B Team Crypto. Can you look at Euro USD on the monthly? Yeah, of course. Euro USD. Did I type that in wrong? Let's go USD. Euro. Yeah, you got to go that way. Euro USD. I hope this is the right one. We'll take a look at it. Let's look. No, that's not the one. Sorry. Monthly. On the monthly. He asked for the monthly. Okay. Key level of support. Very easy to see. Massive downtrend. Actually, only chase UK. Okay. Think Ben and Bleaves taking Ben coin possibly. No drama, hopefully. Anyone UK, hit me up in Discord if you want to know what I'm on and off ramp. Yeah. Go and talk to DDT. He knows the UK on and off ramp. If you're in Canada, my on and off ramp is NDAX. It's a good exchange here in Canada. Euro USD looks like it's going to fall down, man. It's going to fall down. It has a key level of support it's coming up to now, but the retracement for the bottom here, if you look at the 0.5, typically the 0.5 is more accurate. Yeah, could be getting a bounce here. Okay, could be getting a bounce here, but right now it is dropping like it's hot. It's dropping like it's hot. Drop. I can't beatbox. That's all I got. Don't hate. Going back to the 12-minute on the Bitcoin. We're dropping. Am I going to long here? Do I have to keep my word? I have to keep my word, don't I? Let me see if there's confirmation for me to go long here. I might have to go long. I have to counter trade you guys, man. Oh, man. You're going to make me do it. You're going to make me do it. $5.61. Don't make me do it. I'm going to counter trade you. I'm counter trading you. Come on, baby. Come and touch it. Come and touch it. You want to touch it. You know you want to touch it. Let's go. Let's go. There's some action this morning, baby. I'm going to get wrecked. It says DDT. I'm going to get wrecked. It says DDT. Am I going to get wrecked? Am I going to get wrecked? That is the question. Nice move down. If you caught the short, I wasn't convinced on this. But you guys have obviously out-traded me today. B-Team, I'm making you guys question your trades now. B-Team, should I close? Oh, man. Not financial advice, man. I'm a scalp long this thing. Just took profits, done for the day. Good day. That's the one. Come on, baby. Come and touch it. Come and touch it. You know you want to. Big move up. Continuation. I'm going to keep this open. It hasn't touched it yet. Let's go into the nitty gritty. It wants to touch it. Don't be rude. Don't be rude. It's close. Oh no, this is going to be a disaster, isn't it? Isn't it? It's so close. Oh no, don't run away. Don't run away. Do we go lower? What is the consensus here? What's up, Anthony Soprano, man? How we doing, brother? What's up, Otter Gang? Damn, took a nap and BTC pumped and filled my short. 26,750. Look at that. Tony, you're killing it, Bello. Amazing. I'm about to counter trade everybody. Tell me why the play here isn't short back into the range. My God, did you guys just see that? Put me in. Ooh, it's not dipping, it's toes. Dip him. Dip him. Counteract. That was the toe dip right there. That was it. I think I missed it. Nope, that was it right there. we're just creeping away here. The suspense hasn't entered me in yet. Are you guys on the edge of your seats yet or what? There it is. I missed it. 552. Got stopped out of my long at 26,200. Looks like we're not in the trade anymore. This was exciting, though. Is it going to keep coming down or what? Let's look at market Cipher. Oh, it's still got room, man. It's still got room. Nope. Should have took it. Should have took it. Should have, would have. Didn't. That's okay. 1 minute chart. Degen. Such a degen. Such a degen. Such a degen. Look at that. I mean, trade setup was given in advance. I just didn't take it. Shit. Can we come back down? My God. Up we go. Where we stop, nobody knows. Missed the trade. I blame the toothache. What do you guys think? Toothache's worse, eh? The poll says, claw in the hammer of the head, fractured ankle. I swear to you, I have a gouge in my head. I have pictures of it. I don't think I can show it online, but maybe I'll share it in the Discord. Big, huge, the claw of the hammer. Not any other part of the hammer. When I fell off the scaffold, the claw came down right in the top. Oh, sorry. We'll go to 1 second. Sorry about that. 1 second chart for David here. This is so you can get your fix. This is crazy, the 1 second chart. I can't do it. Can't do it. The trade's waiting here, man. Come and get it. Come and get it. 3 minute. Green dot. Pumping back up. Okay. 1 minute rejection. VWAP. Should have taken the trade. Should have. Didn't. You can't take them all. I got a little bit scared. You can see the mindset there. I had the level. I could have traded it. Didn't trade it. I see a sort of M pattern here. Look for price to come back up and test this level here. You can see. Always comes back up to test this. It'll come back up here. See? My God. Should have taken the dang trade. Should have, but I didn't. If it does come back down, I will take it. Hope you're all doing well on this beautiful, beautiful day of humping. Is it hump day today? It is Wednesday, September 27th, hump day. We got a sore tooth, an infection in the back molar, bottom. Quite horrible, to be fair. Congratulations to all who took this short. I'm proud of you guys. I'm proud of you guys. You guys are killing it. Keep up the good work, man. Keep up the good work. Ooh, Red X continuation to the downside on the 12 minute. We got lots of room here to the downside still. Do I think it's going to continue to pump right now? No, it looks like it's going to roll over still. It looks like it's still trying to push down. The Dixie's flying, man. Look at this thing. It's pushing everything down. Even the S&P is getting pushed down now. We need to learn the way of the X-ray goggles. Take Advil 3 times a day for at least 3 days for your tooth. Inflammation hurts. Absolutely, man. It's not nice. It's not nice, but we're here. We're here nonetheless because we gotta show up for you guys. Always. I'm gonna get rid of this trade right now. I'm not feeling this trade. I think we can pump up to 26.6. Don't say it. 6. Off camera, try rubbing that tooth from the outside, massaging it bottom to top, and you want to try and massage the infection towards the surface. Off camera, as he does it on camera. Thank you, Nanya. I appreciate you, brother. I appreciate you. So we had the short from the top. We were looking for higher highs here. We didn't get it. Then we were looking to jump into a trade here. I was too chicken. I apologize for being a chicken. This would have been more fun. This would have been more fun. Maybe we can get a little bit of a bump down. Clove oil. Clove oil. Okay, maybe we go and get some clove oil today. Take some suggestions. I'm a horrible patient. I hope you know that I'm a horrible patient. Like, it's like, leave me alone. Bouncing off that VWAP. Nice, man. I didn't see the VWAP. Volume's cooling down here. May see continuation to the downside, bounce off this moving average. I'm in the thick of it today. Thick of it with you guys. 1 hour red dot printing. We got that confirmation. Not so soon. So we'll have to wait. Red dot confirmed on the 30. Still looking for that swing failure pattern, man. I'd like to see a swing failure pattern to the upside. But you can see the exhaustion from the wicks here. Should have seen that. Didn't see it. Can't see everything. Sometimes the X-ray goggles aren't working. This still has this has a lot of room to the downside still. Let's zoom out a bit. Let's see if these levels are actually... Let's pull the volume from here to here. You can see how well this works, right? Bounces off the point of control over here. A little bit of a dip down. As support. Pops back up. It's amazing. They say TA doesn't work. Come on, man. Give your head a shake. Give your head a shake. Non-toxic, but it's really bad for mucous membranes. You guys are like, you're like Dr. Phil in this shit. I appreciate you guys. Whew, coming back down. Coming back down. You guys are Dr. Phil in me. I appreciate you. Coming back down for the retest. Do we just jump in now? Double bottom that. Come on. Double bottom that. Astrology for men. I love it. Astrology for men. Depends. Astrology for men. Oof. Let's go. Come on. You guys want to see me get wrecked? Depends. Don't cough too hard. You might have leakage. What are we talking about? I think the toothaches get into my brain. My God. You guys are legends. You guys are legends. Are you guys Christmas shopping yet? Army Piper saying, this is way too early. Are we Christmas shopping? Isn't it Halloween first, man? Halloween first, no? Halloween first. So we got the trade down there. I'm going to put the trade to the side here. I'm going to keep it there. Let's go down to the nitty gritty 1 minute here. Blood diamond, push back down. Okay. I see you. Yeah, I want to have my trade down here. This is degen scalping right now. This is the degen of it all. We'd like to see price come back up to this middle line here. Bouncing off the VWAP right now. Okay, so we have some support here. Here it comes. Here it comes. Bull div, baby. Bull divot. Mini bull div. Lower low. Make the lower low. Make the lower low. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. Make the lower low. I'm going to massage the price action right now. Make the lower low. So I got to massage my face. What do you guys have? What are the doctor's orders? We have massage off camera. Try rubbing my tooth. Okay. From the bottom to the top. So I got to move it out off camera. I went and looked for that Listerine or mouthwash. I couldn't find it. The 1 minute market cipher money flow is awesome. The money flow is awesome on the 1 minute. That's the main difference I find than the Vu Manchu's, the money flow on market cipher, especially on the shorter term time frames. If you're scalping like a degen like me. The second for clove oil, it is super numbing. Oh, nummies. We won't talk about our nummy experience, okay? We're looking for the lower low. Come on, dip your toes, baby. Dip your toes. Dip the toes down below. Otter gang. Come on. Come on. Dip the toes, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Dip them. Dip them. So I got to massage my face. What else are we saying? Massage my face. Whiskey mouthwash. No popcorn, man. Popcorn's stuck in the teeth, man, with this thing. Toothache. Come on. Come on. Don't make me degen enter. Throw a 1 in the chat if I should enter the long. Throw a 1 in the chat. So clove oil contains eugenol, a natural anesthetic and antibacterial agent. It has been used in dentistry since the 19th century. I've got a 2 in the chat. I've got a 1 in the chat. Oh, man. Oh, man. Am I going to miss it again? Am I going to miss it again? We got a 0 in the chat. What is 0? 0 means no trade. 0 is no trade. You guys are not suggesting I trade this. You got to keep that P&L so crispy, you know? Oh, red dot. Printing on the 3 minute, 5 minute. Guys, I should have taken the trade, man. You guys giving me bad financial advice. Oh no, it's getting rejected again. Who's playing the Nanya, the mouthwash mafia? I'm just going to trade the green dots, okay? If I get a green dot, on the 3-minute, I'm trading it. S&P's pushing back. Dixie's on its way to $1 million. Oh no, here it comes. Here it comes, baby. Come and get it. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Tony Soprano. It's the Tony Soprano Listerine. That's the grappa. That's the moonshine. The moonshine. Grappa. They call it the aqua vita. The aqua vita is the moonshine. It's the water of life. Aqua vita. Oh yeah. Come on, hit it. Hit it. I'm getting in. We're in. Pray for me. Now we get to watch the trade. Ooh wee. We're getting wrecked. We'll see how far it goes for now. We're going to get wrecked, friends. Take profit. 26. Don't fight the Fed. Pray for me. Pray for me. Alex, if I help you get sponsors, will you give me the same deal as Ben gave Cassie without the sex? Oh, man. Fuck that. Oh, man. Oh, man, we're going to get wrecked today. We're getting wrecked today. Oh, no. This is not looking good, my friends. We're going to the downside. You guys just want to watch the numbers jump around on my chart. It's okay. Oof. We could be coming back down to this support here. That was a big dip of the toes. Can we pop off from that? Can we pop off from that? We are in the red, my friends. We're down $150. Who knows? Maybe we should, you know how they say put your entry at the stop loss? Maybe that was the entry. Maybe that was the entry. We are currently in a trade here. Maybe that was the entry. Ooh, we getting slammed, man. This isn't very nice. They're watching the stream, man. They're definitely watching the stream. Oh, there goes my alarm. That's okay. They're dumping on us. Whoever took that short up top there, you're killing it. Shout out to the Otter Gang. Me trading live. Should have listened to my two advisors. Stop limits 26,199. Whoo-wee. We're getting dumped on. We almost knocked out. Damn, I should have taken your financial advice. That's all right. We'll wait and see here if we can get a push back up, maybe break even. My stop loss is below this wick here. I've lowered it a little bit just to give it some room to breathe, just in case. Just in case. It's not looking too pretty for the bulls right now. Just in case. Engagement's good. We trade in live. Should have stayed in my short. My stop profit is at 26,199. Went value area low. Jeez, look at this. Can we push back up? The question is, do we break it even at the top, or do we let the trade ride if it comes back up? What do you guys typically do? Do you guys like to let it ride after, or are you guys like, okay, I survived, I'll get out? Wow, we're getting smashed. Getting smashed. What a push. Wrecked. V-shaped recovery, man. V-shaped recovery. V-shaped recovery. $26,409. This isn't looking good, man. This isn't looking good. Stop loss is down here at 316. Yep, that's where it is. We'll see if we can. Do we try to break even on this? 420 market maker loves it. If it does come up, what do you guys suggest? Do you guys think breaking even is a good play? What if we pop, man? What if we pop to the upside? I'm gonna be patient here. I think we've rolled over. We've gotten everybody sufficiently wrecked now. We've definitely dipped down way too far, in my humble opinion. I think we can crawl back up. This is not a good ratio to trade, okay? This would have been nicer, but we all the way up here. My entry is at 504. Yeah, that's the one. Jeez Louise. We are getting a little bit of a push back here. We'll have to wait and see. Nice and calm. We did the TA. We hope we gave it a little bit of room to breathe, okay? You can't always. Jeez, down $400. See, if you watch this, man, you just get emotional. I turned this off. It's on the side of my screen here. Can we pop back up? We'll have to wait and see. Should we close it if we come back up to the top here? What do you guys think? We trading with the Otter Gang today. More of an A-shaped relapse. I got 1 BTC on this trade. Oh, shite. AOC, that is hopium. I'm scared for you and me. I'm not too afraid here. I do believe we can come back up to this point of control here, around 580. That would be nice. We are getting smacked down right now. We gave it a little bit of breathing room on this wick down here before the move started, right? And we'll have to see. Well, if you can't look at the charts, I'm going to look at the charts for you, my friend. I'll look at the charts for you. Very oversold right now in the 5 minute, 3 minutes curling up. Okay, curling up. So you can find the hopium if you're looking for the hopium for it to push back up. Right now, everything's pointing down. But we're becoming very oversold on a lot of the short-term time frames. Possible pop back up. It's possible. Shout out to the toothaches out there. Shout out to the toothaches. It's quite the nasty push down we're getting right now, so. Whew. We do have a support here at 236. My golly gee. Just pushing down, man. That's me. I'm out. Wow. Wow, I'm out. I'm out. That one hurt. Don't revenge trade. Take the loss. Don't revenge trade. And we got wrecked. I just lost a G live. Absolutely. That's okay. That's okay. It's part of trading. That's why I use stop loss. I was wrong. And it's okay to be wrong. I remember someone asked, why wouldn't we short back into the range? That was a massive move up. V-shape slammed us back down, right? So, interesting. What can you do? Learn and move forward. The P&L's still gravy, baby. P&L's still gravy. Massive spike to the downside. Massive spike to the downside. We are out of that trade now. The P&L took a beating there. Maybe we should have shorted up at the top. You can't win them all. But that's okay. That's okay. That's okay. Yeah, at least we're transparent. We trading. It's part of the game. We got to be able to take the licks, right? That's my first loss in probably 2 weeks. 2 weeks, so no complaints here. No complaints here. Hope you're all doing well. The S&P is pumping back up. The Dixie is still, is everything taking a tumble? Let's go across the board and take a look. Live trading. Risking the biscuit. Crypto heat map in the last hour. Look at that. Everything's down. Everything is down. We'll have to wait and see. We could even come up from here. Right back down into the range though. Wow. Massive push. Gets everybody bullish. Dumps on their head. This is whale games, baby. Whale games. That's why you got to pay yourself early. Whale games. Wild. Well, it's been fun. It's been fun. It's been a learning lesson. What is the lesson learned today? It's actually Schaefer's fault, not your fault, AOC. That's all right, man. It's part of the game. Part of the game. Live and learn. What's the lesson today? Is I think I protected myself like reasonably. When we break down that trade, we had a point of control here at 26,582. We didn't jump in right away. It looked like it was a lot of momentum to the downside, and my God, did we get a lot of momentum to the downside, okay? Maybe this is what's going to wreck people now. We're going to pop back up, but for me, I'm okay with this loss. It's my first loss in actually quite a long time, so yeah, that's not a good ratio here. We were looking for continuation, right? We were looking for this, and we didn't get that, okay? Middle of a range, it's much more of a dangerous play. So maybe we shouldn't have taken that trade. Maybe we should have waited till we came back down here. Looking to make a higher high, right? Point of control. Value area low. We lost the point of control. Look where we came. Perfectly down, right? Goes to show you. Massive move up while we're all sleeping. Then dumps on our heads. Everybody who is short from up here is wrecked. Everybody who is long from down here is not wrecked yet. So we'll have to wait and see what transpires for the rest of the day. I will be live. I will be live later on today around 5 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. Hope you're all doing well. If there's anything else you guys would like me to look at, I revenge traded and reopened long at 26,257. That's the way. That is the only way. But for me, I'm signing off right now. I'm going to go have breakfast and deal with this tooth. Don't trade with a bad tooth. That's the lesson of the day. Don't trade with a bad tooth. Much love to every single one of you guys. Thank you guys for joining me for this live stream. I did kind of just take it for the live stream, but you know what? That's okay. That's okay. We'll be all right. Crashing. You revenge traded this? Oh, no. That's no good, man. We were getting dumped on. Lots of room to move to the downside here. Make sure to like and subscribe. We traded today and we didn't win. We traded today and we didn't win. So, lesson learned. Continue on. I'll be back later tonight. Hopefully we can get some wins today. We won't jump into any revenge trades just yet. We'll look for a different setup and hopefully we can find something and get some profits going. Much love to every single one of you. We love you all. God bless. Make sure to practice good risk management. And I'll see you guys very soon, later on tonight, where we will be chanting to get Frankie Candles back onto the live streams. Because clearly, he needs to teach me something. Because we're getting dumped on. Much love to every single one of you guys. Peace out. by the way, welcome, Chad Oliver. Thank you so much for being here. And peace out. Have a great day, everybody. We are going to make it back today. Let's go. I'm going to go deal with this tooth. Much love to every single one of you guys. Peace out.